Here's how to repost posts and reels on Instagram. First, you need to have the latest version of Instagram application installed on your device. Launch the application, log into your account, then open your reels or the video section from the bottom left corner of your screen. Select the post that you want to repost, and there you'll see the icon of two arrows, which is between comment and share. Go ahead and tap on that, and you'll see the indication that you reposted this reel. Tap on close or tap on undo to remove it, and you'll get your profile picture in the bottom left corner of your screen, which is also indicating that you just reposted this specific post. If you want to go ahead and repost other different posts, you can go ahead and tap on the same icon, which is in the left-hand side of the screen below the comment section, and you'll be done. So this is how you can go ahead and repost posts and reels on Instagram. If you want to go ahead and view it from your profile, you need to open your profile first, and you'll get the repost button, which is between the reels and the tag option. And you'll see all the posts that you have reposted on your Instagram. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.